episode of One Step Adventure. Today's topic will be on Diwali, where we'll be talking about where we can celebrate Diwali in different cities, which is probably the greatest celebration in India and functions as an incredible unifier since everyone gets into the bubbly soul with strict custom. First, Varanasi Dev Deepavali. The Dev Deepavali is the celebration of Kartik Purnima celebrated in Varanasi. It falls on the full moon of the Hindu month of Kartika and happens 15 days after Diwali. The means of the apparent multitude of ghats on the riverfront of the Ganga's river from Ravidas Ghat at the southern end to Raj Ghat are lit with in excess of a million earthen lights. The Gangas and its managing goddess during Dev Deepavali houses are improved with oil lights and huge plants on their front entryways. Fireworks are signed around evening time. देव दीपावली उत्सव दिवस पर रोशनी करने का रिवाज पहली बार 1985 में पंचगंगा घाट पर शुरू हुआ था। अमृतसर बंदी छोड़ दिवस Firecrackers and LED light show denoted the festivals of Bandi Chhor Divas and Diwali as a huge number of fans ran to the Golden Temple. The arches, structures and floors of the sanctuary complex were decorated and lit up for the event. The day is commanded in the Sikh religion as Bandi Chhor Divas or Prisoner Liberation Day. इस दिन 16वें सिख गुरु हर गोबिंद 1619 में ग्वालियर जेल से मुगल प्रमुख जहांगीर द्वारा बंदी बनाए जाने के बाद 52 संप्रभुता के साथ वितरित किए जाने के मद्देनजर अमृतसर वापस आ गए। द गुरु एंड द प्रिंसेस अराइव्ड इन अमृतसर ड्यूरिंग द दिवाली merriments from the point forward. The Bandi Chhor Divas and Diwali festivities have been held together at the Golden Temple complex. And fourth, Kolkata Kali Puja. Kali Puja and Diwali were praised with mirth and intensity in West Bengal on Sunday with beautiful lights and improved pandals making a merry soul over the state. Firecrackers lit up the sky as the night wore on while roads and decorated with bright lights and houses are decked up with diyas. Individuals visited the celebrated Kali sanctuaries over the state from the morning to pay regard to the divinity. An endless number of lovers remained in long lines at Tarapeeth, Kalyanasri, Dakshineshwar, Kali Ghat and Kanaklatida Kali sanctuaries in the state to look for favors for the goddess. Goa Narak Chaturdasi Procession. Narak Chaturdasi, likewise is known as Narak Nivaran Chaturdasi, is the Hindu one of a kind people celebration praised all over India, which falls on the second day of Diwali as indicated by Hindu folklore. The devil Narakasura was killed on this day by Lord Krishna. Nonetheless, in the Goa, the legend Narakasura is the explanation behind the Diwali festivities. Light with 4 wicks are lit at different spots. Diwali in Goa is set apart by Naraka Chaturdasi, in which the representation of Narakasura is then taken a parade and henceforth start the celebration of Diwali by consuming its first light in the midst of a great deal of firecrackers. So